Yeah. Oh Lord, feel it rising in my life. Blessings overflow. I walked through the valley, I saw the night, but your hand was with me, gave me life. Every tear I cried, you turned to joy. Now I lift my voice, I can't be destroyed. Ngihambile zinzima kodwa ngisapila. Your mercy found me lapho bengilahlekile. Found me when I was lost. Now I see the reason for the pain I feel. It's building me up for a greater place. Now I rise, I don't fear no more. You opened every locked up door. What was broken, you restored. Now I'm singing to the Lord. Blessing overflowing over my life. Grace keeps flowing, shining so bright. I was down, but now I rise. I'm walking in your light. Isibusi so ziyachichima empilweni yami. Blessings are overflowing in my life. I can see your hand upon me. I'm living in victory. Every battle that I faced was not in vain. You turned my sorrow into rain of gain. Now I testify I'm not the same. I was lost, now I carry your name. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, ngiyaphila ngeka yakho. Thank you Lord, I live because of you. Even when I fall, you pull me through. Now my story is a living proof. Now I rise, I don't fear no more. You opened every locked up door. What was broken, you restored. Now I'm singing